Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making essentials safe. Charge the Vivo Y66 above 50%, back up your data, and free at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of storage. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular charges and interruptions. Now open Settings, tap About Phone, and select System Update. That starts the check. If an update appears, tap Download. You do this because OTA packages are large and require uninterrupted transfer for integrity and a smooth install. After you tap Download, allow the firmware to fetch fully. This can take minutes depending on size and network speed. While downloading, avoid running heavy apps and do not exit the update screen because partial downloads can corrupt the package. Once the download finishes, the phone verifies the file. This step confirms integrity and prevents bricked phones. If verification passes, accept any prompts and choose Install. You must allow the phone to reboot automatically, so the installer can apply system changes safely. The installer will run and reboot your Vivo Y66. Initial boot can take 5 to 10 minutes as apps optimize. Once you're back at the lock screen, unlock and go to Settings About Phone to confirm the updated Android version and security patch. Make sure all apps update via Play Store and that battery behavior is normal. If something goes wrong and the OTA fails to install, one reliable recovery method is to connect to a PC and use Vivo PC Suite or the official recovery tool to reapply the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.